Good morning, Manang. It's Friday. And Manang is eating, eating, eating balili. What is that? What is that mean? I take picture tingnan ni Manang. Manang, look at mommy. I think that take picture. Ayan. Yes, Manang. Manang. Yes, mommy's here. Hi guys. Manang's eating. More of there. More of that one there. So. Good morning. Back to school soon. Monday. I'm looking where's Manang. Manang, where are you going? Let's find out where's Manang. My tomatoes is growing. Avocado is bigger. Hibiscus. My hibiscus. Hibiscus is growing. Calamansi is growing. Lemon. And look at this beautiful plants is growing. So many. Just one bush, then I cut and I transfer. Look at them. Oh, this one it dried fast, so this one is loves water. Let me put that one there. And more. I did not know that this one it's a herbal medicine. More and more there. More. Where are you? There she is. Oh, let me check my silly. My silly spa. My silly and the gardenia, the jasmine. Manang! Oh, ang silly. It's time to take this inside. Not yet. No, not yet. Let me see. The jasmine. Look at that, how beautiful that plant is. Jasmine. Keep blooming and jasmine keep blooming. They love sunshine. Jasmine loves sunshine. para mamuwak. And my Japanese maple tree that I will bonsai it. Binobonsai ko ito. Ayan akong kalabasa, wala na gyud ang kalabasa. Agoy, where is she? Manang, where are you? Nagtalikod lang ko, si Manang nawala na.